Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is one of the craziest videos I've made in a while. I did not think I would be making this today or ever. I actually thought Ford was headed to maybe $20 before the end of the year. But as we can see on the 5 year, it just went from $14 to very low $11 within one day. So this was because of earnings. Let's go over here, take a look at what's going on. So it's down 18% today because they took a $1 billion loss on EVs. That's pretty crazy, right? I didn't think it would affect it that badly. So today we're down 10%. As you guys can see, I did buy many more shares, so we were only holding 30 because in the last month, we bought in at like less than, I think it was 11.86. We rode that all the way up to $14, took profit almost 15. If you guys see, like the 5 year chart didn't do it justice. We were selling for 13, 14, and almost 15. So I was out of 70% of my position. So I'm actually very happy that it came down because even though I did take a loss on the few shares that I had left, we are able to get a much, much better average now with these last shares. So I just bought like 80 shares today. Now we're at 117 shares total. So that's great. It is a large chunk of my portfolio now. I think the second biggest, with American Airlines being the largest. This is one of my biggest positions now. I'll show you guys exactly why. Oh, actually, first, we'll take a look at the 5 year. This is obviously the best part. Every single time I've bought Ford under $12 in the last 5 years, I've been profitable. That started back in, I think, 2022. Where's that? It was probably right around here. Yeah, actually in July. So I rode that wave, got back in here. I did some scalping here. Of course, it never went up very high. Got back in here, and every single time it's gone above. This, again, the 5 year doesn't really show enough. Let's see if we can we? No, not really. But anyways, it's gone up to like 16 and $17 from $12 every single time. So we did that again last month. We're getting back in Forgers. Let me show you guys some of the reasons why it's very good. So we've got a 5.7% dividend yield, very high relatively, but as it drops down, they usually increase it. So last time it was actually like 10%, which is pretty insane. Also, very recently it was 6.5%, but they dropped it when the stock price was climbing. So that's a great, great, great buy right now. We can see with hedge funds and insiders, no very clear trend. Obviously, insiders are buying, but this was back in March, right? So it's not super relevant for right now. Hedge funds did sell. This is probably just because of today with the earnings, right? That would be hedge funds selling a ton of them. What else? So fair value, $19. So it could go up about 100% from where it is now. That's a huge reason to be buying Ford right now. Um, Uncertainty is high, but every stock has a high uncertainty on Robinhood. Economic moat is none. I'm not sure how much I agree with this because Ford doesn't really have any problems when it comes to, I mean, they're obviously funding all these new projects, so I don't know how obvious uh, this information, how really accurate it might be, because I don't think there's any obvious reasons to be concerned about the money problem. Now, they did miss EPS, but they've been in a pretty good uptrend, so I think Ford is definitely a smart investment as of now. They also, if we go to trade Ford options and we go to a week out, as you can see, you can make about $20 selling calls weekly, so that's a great form of passive income right there, and that's why I'm trying to get a lot of Ford shares. So that's my second largest position as of right now. We'll see what happens. I'll give you guys update videos. Like always, if you want access to all these trades live, make sure to join the Discord. I'm going to link that in the description. And comment what stocks you guys are currently buying. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe so I can monetize this channel. Ooh, what? Whoa. You guys saw that? It just went from 11 to 12 and then back down. Could be a glitch or something. That's crazy. Okay. Well, anyways, have a great rest of your day.